Ever wondered how to keep your diet healthy during a busy week? It's a question many of us grapple with. The hustle and bustle of daily life can make it challenging to maintain a balanced diet. You find yourself rushing out the door in the morning, skipping breakfast, or grabbing a quick fast food lunch between meetings. By dinner, you're so exhausted that you opt for the easiest option, which might not be the healthiest. Meal planning is often touted as the solution, but it too comes with its challenges. Finding the time to plan, shop, and prepare meals in advance can seem like an insurmountable task. Add to that the pressure of creating meals that are not just healthy, but also delicious and varied, and it's no wonder many of us feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, you can conquer the challenge of meal planning. In the next few scenes, we'll introduce a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through your busy week with ease and good nutrition. Don't worry, a solution to your busy week meal prep is just around the corner. Planning is the first step towards a healthy diet during a busy week. Start by carving out a little time each weekend to map out your meals. Consider your schedule and plan meals that can be easily prepared or reheated on your busiest days. Don't forget to make your meals exciting by including a variety of foods. This not only keeps your taste buds entertained, but also ensures you get a mix of different nutrients. Try to incorporate all food groups: proteins, carbs, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in your meal plan. Now, making this planning process easier and more efficient can be as simple as creating a meal template or using a meal planning app. Meal templates can help you quickly slot in dishes for each mealtime, while meal planning apps can provide recipe suggestions based on what you have in your pantry. With a solid plan in place, you're halfway to conquering your week. Now that you have a plan, it's time to prepare your meals. Imagine a week where you don't have to worry about what to eat or when to cook. That's the beauty of meal prepping. It's all about saving time and ensuring you have healthy meals ready to go. Start by gathering all your ingredients. This way, you're not running around the kitchen looking for that elusive spice. Next, prepare your meals in bulk. Cook once, eat twice or thrice. For instance, a big pot of jollof rice can serve as a base for several meals. Efficiency is key. While your rice is cooking, you could be chopping up vegetables for a salad or grilling some chicken. This way, you're making the most of your time. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's about making healthy choices and taking steps towards a more organized, stress-free week. With your meals prepared, you're ready to tackle the busy week ahead. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We've tackled the challenge of maintaining a balanced diet during busy weeks and the power of meal planning. We've also delved into meal preparation techniques that can make your life easier. The key takeaway here is that planning and preparation are your best allies in maintaining a healthy diet, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. Never let a busy week get in the way of your health. Plan and prepare, and you'll conquer the week ahead.